Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. These days, apps freezing and crashing is the common problem all of us. Don't worry, it can easily sort it out. Mostly we can see freezing or crashing when applications are outdated. So make sure the applications and games are updated to the latest version. You can check any updates on your applications and games like this. First, click on the App Store. Then click on your profile. Then click on Purchased. Now you can see all the applications and games that updates available. Click on the update button that you want to update. I hope this video very useful you guys. See you next video. Thank you.